Hello everyone and welcome to my second episode of Java Bukkit coding, and today we're gonna get started on some Java methods. So basically what they are, they're like math statements where you can like add, subtract, divide, multiply like numbers or names together, and it'll give you like the real number for the description. So for example, I'll get into that later on, but I have to reveal the answers for the question which I gave to you at the end of the video. If you didn't do it, that's fine, but I'm gonna still give it anyways. So, I told you to make an integer named can't stop the Trump. That should not be uppercase, and that is equal to and it's equal to with the value of 2016. So if you guys had that, you are correct. Now I also told you to make a string. A string doesn't matter, public, private. You can do whatever you want, and it should have been China, which is equal to Donald Trump. If you guys got both of them, you guys are correct. But if you did the uppercase letter like that, that is incorrect. You cannot have uppercase letters for the name of. Although it says it's right, it is incorrect. So, without further ado, let's get into the second episode of Java Bukkit coding, which is methods, one of my favorite things to do. So, I'm gonna just keep that up there for you guys to refer to, you can say. So, methods. There are mathematical statements where you can like have a name of something with a value of this number with another name of something with this value of number. For example, let's go int my hot dog my hot length, which has the value of, let's say, 5. And then integer or whatever, interface, which it stands for, but I like to say integer because it's like my hot dog width, okay? With the value of, let's say, 10. Okay, so we have got our, if you guys remember from last video, we sort of made the same sort of type of integer right here. Int can't stop the Trump 2016. You could see it's almost the same, but it's just got save delete. No, don't worry about that. I am not sure. Oh well. What happens if I did my hot dog large width? No. Okay. Anyways, just keep that. So what we're gonna do is we are going to multiply this integer to this integer to get a new length of something. So if you guys are a little bit familiar with basic Java, or if you guys know a little bit about the Java language, you would understand what I'm doing here. So I would go public void set hot dog length, and it would be equal to an integer or an interface of new length. Okay, so this is gonna be a short video anyways. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna get this length, make this length be equal to a new length. Okay, so what we will do to get this integer times this integer, we will just easily do my hot dog length is equal to new length. Okay, there we go. So we really did methods today, so it wasn't too hard. But if we were to actually do something, we would have to return the statements. So you would know, if you guys know math, like I'm sure you guys don't know math, 5 times 10, 50. That would be equal to 50, okay? So you could say this is 50. Let's see if I could put it here. No, okay, ignore that. But otherwise it is worth 50, or it is 50, you know. So for the method part, I'm gonna want you guys to make one integer named Kim Jong-un with the value of 5, and another integer named Taco Tuesday with a value of 6, and we're gonna set the rectangle length. I haven't showed you how to set the length of it yet, so I'll just show you in a second. Give me a second. Okay, now we're gonna do set. Oops, that's the wrong place. Here. Set hot dog. No. Set hot dog length. Let's make the length of it. So 5 times 10 would be 50, right? Okay, now what's wrong about that? Add a method. Command Z. It shouldn't have gone wrong. Make public. No, it shouldn't do anything bad. Anyways, I know why, because it doesn't have a method for it. Anyways, that's correct, so that will be setting the length of it, the plugin. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, the task I'm gonna give you, make an integer named I like cheese, and with the value of 6, and an integer named I like pie with a value of 5 again, and the rectangle, the set length of it, or the whole length, would be 25. Okay, so I would like you guys to make a public void which sets the length to a new length, and the new rectangle length would equal new length. And I'm gonna wind up the video now. Don't worry about the mistake because there's no methods. Anyways, my Skype, if you guys ever want to Skype me, is BadEntities / Skype BadEntities. Go ahead and add me if you would like to talk to me about some stuff. Have me working for you guys. I'd love to work for anyone. I'm looking for work right now. I'm on contracts, just coding for some people. I ended my contract with a server, earning $30 from that. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope that you guys have learned a lot from it. It was a long episode. But anyways, stay golden, bros.